What is wrong with eBay? Where are the sales? Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I just want to share with you something that's happening right now on eBay that I think some people might be confused about. Because, some people are experiencing slow sales, some not so slow, but, some people are experiencing no sales at all. And I think people are beginning to panic. And really, to be honest with you, there's no reason for that. If you're wondering what's wrong with eBay right now, there's nothing wrong with eBay, okay? What you have to realize is that if you're in business, you're going to have ebb and flow, okay? In other words, you're going to have up times and down times in business. It's just the way business is, okay? You're not always going to have a ton of sales, and that's just going to be consistent throughout the whole year, and you're just going to be happier than a pig in sunshine, okay? But sometimes you're going to have low times, sometimes you're going to have mediocre times, sometimes you're going to have really good sales. Just continue to list your items the way you normally do. If you sell, if you list like 5 items, 10 items a day, 20 items a day, just do that on a regular basis and the sales will come. Let me share with you something that I've always learned in business, okay, is people buy when they're ready to buy, okay? I don't care how slick a salesman you are. I don't care how many crafty techniques you have to get people to buy things. People are not going to open their wallet or slap down that credit card until they're ready. I mean, I've had people literally buy postcards off me at 3 a.m. in the morning. Okay, and I thought maybe it was somebody on the far East Coast, like in Massachusetts or Florida. I live in Oregon. And I said, well, they're 3 hours ahead of us. I'll come to find out the person that bought something from me lived in California. They're on the same time zone I am. They were up at 3 a.m. purchasing one of my cards. And that just proves my point. People buy when they're ready to buy. There's nothing you can do about it. And if you think that eBay just favors one seller over another, that's not true either, because eBay is run by an algorithm, a computer. And what actually governs that algorithm, okay, is activity. It's the computer that's doing all the decision making here. If you're not very active on eBay and the computer sees that, they're going to push your listings down in the search. Okay, it's just the way the system works. If you're active every day, the system's going to see that too, and it's going to go, oh, let's boost this person. And they don't do it out of personality. They don't have biases or anything like that. It's just a computer. That's the way it works. And what you just got to realize is that it's just business. You have to have a business mindset. Think about it. What if you opened a brick and mortar store and you invested tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars and you had a slow month? Would you just close the doors and say, that's it, I'm out of here, this isn't working for me, and you just gonna bite the bullet and take that loss? Of course not. You've invested too much time, too much money. You just stick with it until it works. Okay, and that's what I want to try to encourage you today. Don't panic. If you're having slow sales, just keep doing what you're always doing. The sales will come. I've had periods where I've had like 2 or 3 days without a sale. I've had days where I had 7 sales in one day. That was my highest, I think. And then the next day I had like no sales. And then the next day I had like 2 or 3 sales. So, it's ebb and flow. It's just the way that business works. And you just got to put your head down and go to work and just have that business mindset, because you've got to treat your business like a business. You can't treat it like a hobby, or it's going to pay you like a hobby. Okay? So I just wanted to do this video just to encourage you, because, there's people. I even saw a YouTube video today about some guy who was selling on eBay, and because he had slow sales in a particular week, he's thinking about quitting eBay. And I'm like, are you kidding? You had one slow week and you're ready to quit? That's not a good business mindset, guys. You just have to realize that business is business and people buy when they're ready to buy. When people are ready to decide, okay, I'm going to purchase from this person, that's when they'll do it. There's an old saying in sales that says, that goes, people buy from who they know, like, and trust. And if you don't give people enough time to know you, to get to know you, to like you, and then to trust you to fork down a credit card or, make a payment and buy something, you might have some problems there. Okay, so give it some time. My goodness, I have been selling on eBay. Well, I've been on eBay since 2002, but I haven't actively been taking it seriously as a business. I started in January of 2020. That's when I started selling postcards. And I've been doing postcards now for over a year. And I'm still not at the place where I'd like to be, but I'm working towards it. And it's getting better all the time. And you just got to have a positive mental attitude. You got to have a good outlook to say, well, if I didn't make as many sales today, that's not a problem. I'm just going to put my head down, go to work, and we'll see how it goes tomorrow. Because tomorrow you might have a killer day. You might make 25 sales tomorrow, but who knows? It all depends on how active you are, because eBay loves activity. They love people to be active in their stores, doing little tweaks and changes and, listing things. And they just like to see that activity. That's what the computer is programmed to look for. So try to be encouraged. If you're having slow sales, I understand, but it's not the end of the world, okay? Your sales will pick up. Just put your head down, go to work, and see how your sales go. Okay, so I'm hoping that was an encouragement to you. I don't want to have to see you quit. If you have a dream to make a full-time living out of eBay or whatever platform you sell on, then keep at it, keep strong, put your head down, go to work, and just realize that business is business. People buy when they're ready to buy, and that's about it. You just go along, and sometimes you're going to have good days. Sometimes you're going to have bad days. Sometimes you're going to have mediocre days. It's all part of the system. It's all part of being in business for yourself. Brick and mortar stores go through it too. When they don't have, usually when they don't have good sales days, they start doing a race to the bottom and start dropping prices and slashing prices like 70% off. But if you don't have a whole lot of inventory, even if you do have a lot of inventory, just keep listing. We talk about these things called death piles. Okay, well, go over to your death pile. Find out, how much stuff you've got over there. Is there anything I can list? Is there anything I can change about the listings that I have? Change the price, tweak the keywords. Just do something to show the eBay algorithm that you're active. And when it sees that activity, it's going to boost you in the search. And hopefully you'll start hearing that cha-ching on your phone a little more often. Okay, so I hope that's an encouragement to you. If you got something out of this video, and I hope you did, make sure you smash that like button. It really helps the channel. I really appreciate it. And I guess that's it for now. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.